Congratulations to Tyla for winning the Grammys tonight. But let me tell you something you don't know. These people no send us at all. They no rate us at all. And that is one of the reasons why you have to respect Wizkid. Wizkid don't understand the ecosystem when it comes to American music. I am telling you. Wizkid don't already know, say these people no send us. Now why? He no even bother submit Morayo album for consideration be that. Because he know say, see, what you don't, people are always scared of what they don't understand. Yes, these people, these Oyibo people, they don't understand how Afrobeat reach that level way in day. Now, this is my point. My point is, they didn't see it coming. They did not know that Afrobeat will come, then that, African music will take over the world like that. They did not see it coming. So, to me, it be like say that they do everything in their capacity to suppress that glory of Afrobeat, of African music, especially when it comes to Nigeria, because they know that Nigeria is a force to reckon with when it comes to music globally. Check out the nominations now. Out of 5 nominations for that particular Best African Music Performance Award, Nigerians will carry 3 nominations. When I think say easy, do you know how many countries we have in Africa? Out of all the countries in Africa, 5 nominations, Nigeria carry. Sometimes if they reach 1 point, Nigeria will just carry 4 nominations out of 5. And you are saying they will not be scared of you. They are scared of us. They are scared of us. This thing, not be today they happen. No. Now let me take you back, down memory lane a little bit. When Fela was singing, when Fela was alive, active, do you know what Fela did in his lifetime musically? He did a lot. Check out Fela's catalog. Check out his catalog. Why do you think they did not even bother to give Fela a Grammy when he was alive? Why they say now they can't give Fela award for the Grammy? They are trying to use that Fela award to make us feel like, okay, they are putting us into consideration. Nah, lie. Now let me take you back to what Wizkid believes. Me, from my own point of view, Wizkid don't already know say these people no rate. They no rate honor. Now why that was the reason why they couldn't give Fela's family that award on the main stage. Why do you think they couldn't give Fela that award on the main stage? And Wizkid don't already understand this point. Now why Wizkid refused to go for that BET awards that year? Because Wizkid was like, you are giving everybody else the awards on the main stage, on the main, at the main event, on the main night. But you are giving African artists the awards at the backstage. You understand? Is it at the backstage or the night before the main event? Is it that African artists we not get level, so they not give us the award? So it was Wizkid that fought for that position, for that thing, for that award to be given to Nigerian or to be given to African artists on the stage at the main event. It was Wizkid that fought for that. That's why when they say Wizkid is the most influential artist out of Africa. Take it to the bank. I'm not joking. And this is not me supporting Wizkid. I am just stating the obvious fact. Wizkid already, see, that Wizkid, now, this is the games. These people wants to be playing, Abi. He don't understand. That's why he doesn't really want to be part of that, their games. Now, why you see him? He does the show you get. He look them. He know what thing they do. He's fighting for the rest now. Because before some people will say, this guy is pro Wizkid and is no. It's not all about Wizkid now. I'm just talking about Wizkid's influence on the ecosystem, on the game. When it comes to music globally, his influence is unmatchable. Nobody reach. Now, what I'm trying to say is, why do you think when King Sunny Ade was making all those great music, that time when Juju, was the in thing. King Sunny Ade was everywhere, you know, performing at, you know, global shows all over the world. He even featured in a foreign film. Do you get? Why do you think they did not give him the award? They gave him nominations. They gave King Sunny Ade a nomination that time. Now, do you know how many nominations they have given Femi Kuti? Count now. See, they are giving us the nominations just for us not to feel like they are leaving us out, or they are. Do you get? They are giving us consolation prizes. I'm telling you, see, don't get it twisted, though. Congratulations to all the winners tonight at the Grammys. Congratulations to all the nominees too, because it's not easy even get nominated at the Grammys. But I am saying one simple thing in this video. See, these people, they don't understand how we are doing it in the midst of our political challenges. You know, look at what we are facing in the country. Look at the living conditions, you know, of Nigerians in Nigeria. Still, we are making the best music. We are putting it on the global stage. They can't compete with us. So they don't want us to surpass that bar. There is a bar, there is a limit. They have set that limit. So they now realize that Afrobeat is going places. Nigerian artists, we have taken the game to the next level. Shout out to Wizkid, big shout out to Burna Boy, big shout out to Davido, big shout out to Rema, big shout out to Ashake, big shout out to Thames, big shout out to Ira Star, big shout out to Tiwa Savage, big shout out to CK, big shout out to all Nigerian musical artists. Big shout out to all Nigerian producers. Because when you are giving these artists the flowers, you have to put into consideration, big consideration, the producers, because those are the guys behind, you know, the hits, all these hits we are hearing. Nigerian musicians have taken the music to that global stage. These Onyibo people, they don't understand it. So people are always scared of what they don't understand. That's why the only thing they can do is to make you feel like they are compensating you. Then they will give you nominations. They will give you nomination. And check out what happened the last time now when Tyla won the award. Now, I'm not against Tyla. Tyla, congratulations. I love your craft. She's very heavily talented, unique, stylish, the glamour, the personality. Aside from the music, she's got the personality, she's got the style, she's got everything. You understand? So shout out to Tyla. This video is not me, you know, against anybody. I'm just stating the obvious fact. Now, the other time, I think they created a category for Afrobeat and all of that. They gave it to someone else. They gave it to Tyla. Now you see what they are trying to do. They are trying to make you feel like, see, it is not only synonymous with African artists too. When they see that a particular sector, a particular genre is buzzing, this Onyibo, they always find a way to keep it down, to keep that movement. It's a movement. Afrobeat is a movement, and that is a movement nobody can stop. If hunger wire you, the kind of talent, come on now challenges where we dey face for this country. That is why everybody is bringing out the best. Ìyà ò jẹ́ onógbọ́n. Ìyà tó ń jẹ àwọn èèyàn ló jẹ́ káwọn èèyàn orí kan tá ń kọ́ Naija ni. Do you know how many? Do you know the streams? Do you know the numbers we are generating on all these musical platforms? Come on. It's like they've not seen that kind of movement before. The last time this kind of thing happened was when Bob Marley, you know, came with that reggae dancehall music. The world was agog. Àwọn Òyìnbó yẹn wọ́n fọ́. They were like, come on. Did you see what Bob Marley did? Them Shabarangs, all these guys, Shaggy. They took over the world. Binima and Co. They took over everywhere. But now it's Afrobeats time. Look at what these people are doing to us. All of these things are intentional. Don't get it twisted. Do not even, no mix them. That is why a lot of American artists have been boycotting the Grammys. It's not even news anymore. Do you get? Let me give you an instance. A lot of, okay, check out when 50 Cent was buzzing, when in the club, go shawty, it's your, that song, that album, that wave. When that album came out, 50 Cent, with that wave, no artist could compete. And do you know how many records 50 Cent, Get Rich or Die Trying, sold that year? There was no artist that could compete with that wave, with that 50 Cent album, with the wave, with the success. Guess what? The Grammys did not give him any award. Do you get? So when I say people are always scared of what they don't understand, when they see you and they don't know the source, you did not tap from them, like you did not take permission. You just, Nigerian artists, look at Afrobeat. They have been giving the world musical excellence ever since this genre started. They are not stopping anytime soon. So please, this message is going out to all the Nigerian artists specifically. Do not let them keep you down. Let us keep striving. Let us keep striving, because a lot of hearts have been broken tonight. People don't, you know how much Katarefe bet on top this Grammy, say Davido go win am? Millions of money. A lot of people are crying now. The one way pay me, the one that paid me the most was when they did not give Wizkid that essence. Oh my God. That essence, that music, that album. Do you know how many numbers that album generated? Do you know the influence? It's not even how many streaming numbers now. I'm talking about the influence of that album. Wizkid's influence. He broke all the barriers. Wizkid broke all the barriers, and even Justin Bieber had to jump on that song. Justin Bieber said don't even boycott the Grammys before. Before. A lot of people have they don't boycott Grammys before. Some are still doing it anyway. The last time we saw Drake used that Grammy Award plaque. That plaque. He used that thing as a a door stopper. Drake used the Grammy as a door stopper to show solidarity to a lot of artists that they don't shank. He even get Shena Kanye West. He get one artist wey carry the Grammys throw him inside the WC. Peace on top am. So please, to all the creatives out there, to all the artists out there feeling down, do not let Grammy bring you down. Don't let Grammy validate your greatness. Do not judge. You are great. Davido is a great guy. He's a legend in the game. Ira Star, very young, very talented. She's a legend in the game. Do not let them keep you down. Don't let them validate your greatness. You guys are already. Shana Burna Boy, you won't talk. Look at Burna Boy now. Look at what Burna Boy is doing now. Look at how many arenas, how many stadiums. He don't sell out. But still, what do? We keep pushing. But let me tell you something, the Grammys does not validate your greatness. Check out the great artists like Tupac, Notorious B.I.G., even Snoop Dogg. These people, they did not give them the Grammys when they were Hey, when Snoop came out, 93, 94, Snoop Dogg. Look, just check out the wave of Tupac. When Tupac was everywhere, he didn't get a single gram. Check out Tupac's influence on the culture. His culture, Tupac's influence on the culture, the music, the acting. That one surpassed the Grammys. They didn't give him any Grammy. They didn't give Notorious B.I.G. any Grammy. But I'm telling you, these people, they can't influence. Influence is very, very key. Influence on the culture, on the game is very, very key. That is one thing people always respect, Wizkid for. His influence on the culture is unmatchable. When Wizkid said, okay, it's either you give us that BET award on the main stage, at the main event, or don't give us at all. He said it. He put it out there. The following edition like this, that was when they started giving African artists that award on the main stage at the main event. Influence. He didn't fight for himself. He fought for the generations yet to come. He didn't fight for himself. He fought for the generations yet to come. He fought for everybody, every other artist. He knew they will kind of, now, how these people, they run their games now. But he did not care. He doesn't. Wizkid till tomorrow. He don't send anybody, papa. Wizkid no send anybody, papa. That is why you have to respect that guy. He saw this coming. I mean, come on now. Naija now. Naija. Our energy. You can't compare our energy to anybody else. You can't. Our energy is unmatchable. You can't come. If you come close now, how you won't do them? So congratulations once again to all the winners at the Grammys tonight. Congratulations to all the nominees. But do not let Grammy validate your greatness. That is why when they say all of these things, you just have to pay attention to the core reason, the motive behind all of these moves. Then you will now begin to understand that, okay, these people are trying. They are trying to do something. They don't understand Afrobeat, the way Afrobeat is taking over the world. These people just came from nowhere. They took over the world. There was a time at a particular award, I think that it was Chanelo Award, one year, early 2000 or 2001. Chanelo Awards. I remember very vividly. When they were now doing the award, it got to a point. The presenter, one of the hosts for that event that night, he said, "Oh my God, Nigeria has taken over the music scene in Africa." That was when the Mode 9 were winning the awards. That year. It's obvious. Nobody come. Our energy is unmatchable. Nobody comes close. Nobody. So, no be new thing. So once again, congratulations to Davido. Congratulations to Ira Star. Congratulations to Thames. Congratulations to all Nigerian Afrobeat singers. You guys are doing good. Like, absolutely. Shout out to Wizkid. Jeff Owolawa is my name. I'll see you on the other side. Holla.
Please subscribe to my YouTube channel and press the notification button.